and 1 supply zone. Blocks come in 3 sizes. There are 54 green blocks, 16 purple, and 3 red. 42 blocks begin on the field in predetermined locations. Red blocks begin on top of starting pegs. Each red block removed from a starting peg is worth 5 points. The remaining 31 blocks begin in the supply zone, where they will be randomly placed before each match. If an alliance is able to empty the supply zone, they will receive 20 points. Each block scored at any goal is worth 1 point. If all blocks scored in a single goal are the same type, that goal earns a uniform bonus of 10 points. Alliances can also receive a height bonus based on the highest fill level shared by all 3 goals. There are 3 fill levels: low, medium, and high, worth 10, 20, and 30 points. The differently sized blocks play a key role in planning match strategy. For example, to reach fill level 2, it can take